What? I can't reboot here?
There it is.
Did you see that?
Over here. I was rebooting over here, that's why.
Oh, my fault.
Yeah, you should be good now. They started rushing me.
Yeah, it looks like they're pushing you guys now.
Oh, they pushing me fucking hard, dude. They about to fuck me up.
Get out of here, Esteban. Let's move.
I'm not in. That's Jules.
Oh, okay. Where's your fucking card?
It's on the island. Don't even worry about it.
Shit, bro.
Woo! I barely got out of there. Holy shit.
I got all 4 on me, and I'm dead again. Like, there's no fucking living. Fucking terrible.
Holy fuck.
Those guys were frying shit. Ah.
Oh, I'm definitely gonna probably fucking die, but whatever.
You in Storm?
Yeah, and they fucking just landed on, but I got Vestmont's card.
Oh shit.
So I guess.
There's one Higgs that's gonna be in circle way over here. Okay, hell yeah, quick. That's what's up, man. Hey, good, man. It's Halloween today, so, you know, we chilling.
Damn it.
Fuck. They about to push you too, watch. Damn, there's still 10 people? We gotta, when we get a chance where we got to fucking third party that medallion team, we have to get them out of here.
Loot up quick.
Boys got it.
Yeah. I'm coming.
Quarter bunkers here.
Alright, bet.
They are. Minis on me.
Ah, fuck. I already took a half pot.
There's another half pot. Yeah, another half pot.
Alright. That medallion team is gonna push up on us very soon.
I got a rocket launcher.
Oh yeah, they can come in quick.
Let's take these cars. There's cars back here, Higgs.
He's one hit 130, bro.
Damn, man.
I don't really got no stress. I gotta drag
I
him
think
in.
you're cheating.
I gotta drag him into a fight.
Do you
Oh
hear that
my
email?
god.
Do you hear that? Peter Griffin laughing?
Oh my god.
Bro, I think they're hacked.
Oh
They're
my
hitting you
god.
dashing, bro, they're cheating.
Oh, for real? What the fuck?
They're hitting you dashing, bro. They're cheating.
Oh my
No way,
god, bro. That's wild. Hey, what's up, legend? Yes, sir, man. Always playing for it. Alright, guys. I appreciate y'all joining me, man.
Sir.
I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.
Alright.
Hey, appreciate all y'all that tuned in, man. Everybody that subbed and liked the stream and shit. You guys have a good Halloween. Enjoy it with your family, and I'll talk to y'all later. Love y'all. Peace. Oh. Car, Higgs. Shoot that car. That car's about to blow up.
There's multiple. Oh my god, I just got beat.
Hit the zip, hit the zip.
Yeah. We got somebody on our left, too. We got teams all around.
Let's push back a little bit. Regroup.
If anything, if we get pressured too hard, we just take that rift.
I'm dead. I'm gone.
I need shield. Everything else in between.
He knocked me out with that. He has to be hacking. There's no way he's
There's
not.
people to our left as well somewhere.
You have shield. There's another one over here at the bomb. I'm reloading.
Watch. There's boom billies near you guys.
Yeah, those are ours.
Oh.
Oh my
Holy
god.
those people have to be hacking. Like, there's no.
Hey, I'm taking this rift behind us. Yeah.
Me too.
How many's up there? There's just one, I think, bro.
No, there's.
Let's
4.
push them.
I saw 4.
Who was emoting like that?
Oh my god, yeah, there's definitely. Oh fuck.